Hi guys, my name is Sinah and welcome to this 10-part cardio and strength yoga Lottie series. I designed this series to help you raise your heart rate while also promoting entire body strength. Today we're going to be focusing on arms. I'm going to be using these 2-pound ankle weights around my hands. If you don't have ankle weights, feel free to use any other weights you have lying around, water bottles or any other props. When you're ready, grab your water bottle, roll out your mat, and let's get started. If you're in a place where you cannot do this video with me right now, please save it to your watch later and join me whenever you have the time. Hi guys, we're going to get started in a comfortable seated position. We're just going to go ahead and take a few grounding breaths. So once you find yourself this comfortable seated position, go ahead and place one palm over your heart and the other palm over your lower belly. We're going to close our eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top. Slowly exhale out through your mouth. Let's do that 3 more times. Deep breath in through your nose. Holding it at the top. Exhale, sighing out. Wonderful job. Let's do this 2 more times. Deep breath in through your nose. Holding it at the top. Exhale, sighing out. Fabulous job. Continue doing this last one at your own pace. When you come to the bottom of that out breath, go ahead and place the palms of your hands on your knees for grounding. Lengthen your spine. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And on your exhale, putting a warm smile on your face and slowly opening up your eyes. Wonderful job. We're going to go ahead and come into our hands and knees for tabletop position. We're just warming up the body slightly. This class is going to get pretty intense in a little bit, so let's just take this time for grounding and for just moving our body around this morning. We're going to start with a few hip circles to the right. For 1, 2, you got this. 3, and 4, holding. Let's do reverse. Now hip circles to the left. For 1, 2, 3, 4. Fabulous job. Coming back into neutral. We're going to continue those hip circles going on to our downward facing dog. So from this tabletop position, go ahead and engage your core. That means plugging your belly button. Slowly start lifting your hips all the way up to the sky. Finding some stillness right here, breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your mouth. Wonderful job. We're going to go ahead and drop to our knees one more time, and we're going to start hip circling to the right while hovering our knees. So hover, and then push to downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in through your nose, deep breath out through your mouth. Fabulous. Coming back into that tabletop position, hovering our knees, hip circles to the left, sending our hips all the way up to the sky, taking a deep breath in through your nose, deep breath out, sigh it all out. Fabulous job. Coming back into that tabletop position. Let's do that 2 more times. Hover, hip circles, downward facing dog, deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Fabulous job. Coming back into that tabletop position. Hovering those knees. Hip circles to the left. Send those hips all the way up. Deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out through your mouth. Fabulous job. Now hold this downward facing dog. Really send your entire weight towards your heels, allowing those heels to sink into your mat. Really pushing against your mat, engaging your entire arms, engaging that core. And I want for you to send your breath to your arms. Take a deep breath in, sending it to your arms. Deep breath out, release any tension that might be accumulated in your arms. Today's workout is focused on your arms, so I want for you to just observe your muscles in your arms. Notice how they're bringing you support to your entire body. And when you're ready, we're going to slowly shift our weight towards a plank position. Now observe the stability in your arms. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. We're going to start with 20 mountain climbers. Option to go with me like this, simply bringing one knee in and back out to plank. Or if you're here for that extra cardio burst, come with me. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that plank. Shift your hips all the way up to that downward facing dog, pedaling those feet right and left. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, start walking your feet slowly to meet your hands. Once your feet meet your hands, let your body hang heavy. Maybe wiggle those arms from side to side, and then slowly roll yourself all the way up. Once you come all the way up, we're going to go ahead and extend our arms directly behind us, bending our knees. And we're going to start with doorknobs. So imagine there's a doorknob directly behind each hand, and we're trying to open the door. Come with me for 20, 19, 18. Really engage those triceps. Really notice how much they're moving, how much they're engaging your entire arm as you really try to turn that door to open. You've got to give me 10 more. 9, 8, 7. Really breathe in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold those arms, extend those palms, and now try to get those pinkies to touch. Come with me for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. You got this. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know your arms are burning. Slowly come all the way up and bring those arms into this ballerina second position. Take a deep breath in right here. Engage your core. Exhale, bring them up to 5th. And we're going to come right back down to 2nd and 5th. We're going to continue doing this dynamic movement for 15 more reps. You got this. I know your arms are burning. Mine are too. You will see how quick and effective these exercises are for you after you're done with this class. So just continue moving those arms. Let's go for 8. For 7. Really engage that core. For 6. Maybe put a warm smile on your face. Pretend you're a ballerina on stage. You can't let anybody know that this is tough. It's like you're walking on water. Give me 2 more. Last one, hold. Release those arms by your side. Slowly coming to the back of your mat. We're gonna roll ourselves all the way down. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep breath out. Slowly walking your hands out to that downward facing dog. Let's go ahead and reset right here. Really sending your weight towards your heels. Really tucking in that belly button. Noticing the support of your arms. Breathing in through your nose. Breathing out through your mouth. We're going to repeat everything that we just did once more, but we're going to drop it by 5 counts. So when you're ready, slowly engage that core and shift your weight to a plank. Hold right here. Ready for that cardio burst? Let's go for 15 mountain climbers, so a total of 30. Come with me for 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You got this. 8, 7, 6, 5, for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that plank. Push your hips all the way up to downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your mouth. Slowly start walking your feet to meet your hands all the way up to the top of your mat. Interlace your hands across each elbow and just let your body hang heavy right here. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Release both arms and slowly roll yourself all the way up. Wonderful. Roll those shoulders. And when you're ready, bend those knees. Here we go. Extend those arms behind you. Let's go for 15. Come with me. For 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Extend those palms. Pinkies together. For 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. You got this. Breathing in through your nose. Out through your mouth. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly opening your arms to second position. Don't drop them. You got this. We're going for 13 more. You're doing so good. Really engage those abs, engage that core, plugging in your belly button. Give me 10 more. Breathing. When it gets too tough, just know that you can come and you can stay here for one more breath. For 5, putting a warm smile on your face. For 4, 3, 2, extend your arms, drop them by your side. Wonderful job. Slowly rolling yourself all the way down, coming into that downward facing dog. Breathing in through your nose, breathing out through your mouth. Slowly drop to your knees. We're going to go ahead and extend that right arm all the way up. Exhale, thread it below the left. Planting your outer right cheek on your mat. And just feel your entire arm stretching right here. If you want to intensify this stretch, option to grab a hold of your right palm with your left and imagine like you're pulling it away from your shoulder and just breathe. Excellent job. Go ahead and plant that left palm on your mat, lifting the right all the way up to the sky. Exhale, dropping into your mat. Inhale, lifting the left, threading it below your right, planting your left cheek on your mat and just breathing right here. Option to grab a hold of your left palm with your right. Pull it from your left shoulder to intensify this stretch and just continue breathing. Excellent job. Plant your right palm on your mat, lifting your left arm all the way up to the sky and coming back into that tabletop position, giving me 2 hip circles to the right and 2 to the left. Excellent job. Back to tabletop. Coming to seat in a comfortable seated position. Planting one hand on your chest, the other on your lower belly. Let's go ahead and do that same breath work we started the class with. Closing your eyes, putting a warm smile on your face. Inhale, breathing in through your nose. Holding the breath. Exhale, sigh it out. Excellent. 2 more times. Inhale, breathing in through your nose. Holding that breath. Exhale, sigh it out. Last one. Inhale, breathe in through your nose. Holding that breath. Exhale, sigh it out. Wonderful job. Placing both palms on your hands on your knees. Putting a warm smile on your face. And slowly opening up your eyes. Thank you so much for moving your body with me today. Namaste. If this class served you in any way, please follow me on my Instagram at Sinah for further mindfulness and movement content. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Please download our Yoga Plus app for further fitness classes.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.